Welcome to Avid Education Academy. Today's topic is types of mixtures: homogeneous, heterogeneous, colloids, and suspensions. In the last class, we learned about elements, compounds, and mixtures. In the next video, we'll talk about physical and chemical changes. Now, let's understand the types of mixtures in detail. Let's begin with a quick question. Have you ever had lemon juice? Or maybe a soft drink? When you add sugar and lemon to water and stir well, it becomes a clear, uniform solution. This is a homogeneous mixture. होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर वह मिश्रण होता है जिसमें सभी अवयव समान रूप से मिल जाते हैं और अलग अलग नहीं दिखाई देते. अदर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर्स: नमक पानी में मिला हुआ, चीनी dissolved in tea, air, a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, vinegar, acetic acid in water, alcohol mixed with water. In all these, you cannot see the individual components. Everything looks the same throughout. Now let's move to heterogeneous mixtures. Suppose you mix iron nails in sand. Can you still see the nails? Yes, clearly. That's a heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture वह होता है जिसमें मिश्रण के घटक साफ साफ दिखाई देते हैं और समान रूप से नहीं मिलते. More examples. Sand and salt together. Oil and water, they form separate layers. A pizza with toppings. You can see and pick each ingredient. Dal with visible spices and tadka. A fruit salad with apple, banana, grapes, all distinct. So the key point is, in heterogeneous mixtures, the substances don't mix uniformly and can often be separated easily. Now let's explore two special types of mixtures: colloids and suspensions. First, colloids. In a colloid, the particles are not fully dissolved, but they don't settle down either. Take milk. It looks uniform, but the fat and water are not truly dissolved. Still, they don't settle. That makes milk a colloid. कॉलॉइड वह मिश्रण होता है जिसमें कण इतने छोटे होते हैं कि वे न तो पूरी तरह घुलते हैं और न ही नीचे बैठते हैं. Other examples of colloids: fog, water droplets in air, smoke, carbon particles in air, butter, fat in water, shaving cream, toothpaste, ink. Also, colloids show a special behavior called the Tyndall effect. If you shine a flashlight through a colloid like milk or fog, the light beam becomes visible. That doesn't happen in a true solution. Now let's talk about suspensions. These are mixtures where the particles are larger and settle down if left undisturbed. Try mixing chalk powder in water. After a while, chalk settles at the bottom. Suspension वह मिश्रण होता है जिसमें कण बड़े होते हैं और समय के साथ नीचे बैठ जाते हैं. Other examples of suspensions: मट्टी पानी, रेत पानी, आटा पानी, रंग, दवाएं, जैसे कि एंटासिड शेक करें पहले उपयोग. So, a suspension looks cloudy and separates on standing. You often need to shake or stir it before use. Let's do a quick recap. Homogeneous mixtures are completely uniform. You can't see the individual substances. Examples: salt water, vinegar, air. Heterogeneous mixtures have visibly different parts. Examples: oil and water, salad, soil. Colloids have tiny particles that don't settle and show the Tyndall effect. Examples: milk, fog, toothpaste. Suspensions have large particles that settle down. Examples: muddy water, paint, chalk water. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. In the next class, we'll discuss physical and chemical changes, a very important concept.